Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing the amazing benefits of castor oil, not just for your face, but also for hair, eyebrows, skin, and even joint pain. Castor oil is like Botox in a bottle, but it's completely natural, safe, and packed with so much goodness for your whole body. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most talked about uses, anti-aging for your skin. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which promotes collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm, plump, and free of wrinkles. So, regular use of castor oil can help smooth fine lines and keep your skin looking youthful just like Botox but without injections. Apply castor oil at night, massaging it in upward strokes around your forehead, eyes, and mouth. This natural treatment helps lift and firm your skin while you sleep. Now let's talk about hair care. Castor oil is a miracle for hair growth. It improves scalp circulation and strengthens your hair follicles, reducing hair loss and promoting thicker, shinier hair. Massage a little warm castor oil into your scalp once or twice a week. Leave it on overnight, and you'll notice softer, healthier hair in no time. It's also great for treating dandruff and dry scalp. And don't forget about your eyebrows and eyelashes. Want fuller, longer lashes or bolder brows? Castor oil is your go-to remedy. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyelashes and eyebrows before bed using a clean spoolie brush or cotton swab. In a few weeks, you'll start noticing the difference. Now, here's something you might not know. Castor oil can also help with joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a great remedy for relieving sore joints and muscles. Just massage it into the affected areas, and over time, you'll feel the difference. And it doesn't stop there. Castor oil is also known for improving digestive health. It acts as a natural laxative to relieve constipation. Taking a small dose can help stimulate bowel movements and detoxify your body. Another hidden gem. Castor oil is effective in fading stretch marks and healing dry, cracked heels. Its deep moisturizing properties help increase skin elasticity and repair damaged skin. Simply massage it onto stretch marks or cracked heels every night, and you'll start to see smoother, softer skin. Now, let's talk about acne. Castor oil has antibacterial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria. It reduces inflammation and soothes irritated skin. Apply a small amount to the affected areas and leave it on overnight. So, what are you waiting for? Start adding castor oil to your beauty and wellness routine today and see the transformation yourself. If you've tried castor oil before, let me know your results in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another natural beauty secret.